Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here, Toyota Camry from year 2015 all the way to year 2017 guys, if you have one of those. And if you need to find where your audio fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the audio fuses, where you can expect to find them guys, let's go ahead and explain now on that 2017 Toyota Camry that we have right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes in this car and today we'll be working in both of them. The first fuse box is on the driver's side. Open the door. Once you open your driver door, you need to come where the pedals are. Look upside down. Okay, in the dash, under the dash guys, all the way above the pedals, you will see one white cover. Open it, and right under that white cover you're going to notice that you have a fuse box layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we'll need to check multiple fuses. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 1, that 10M fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 3, fuse number 3 right here, another 10M fuse. After that guys, things get interesting here because this is fuse 4, then you have fuse number 30, okay, I believe here will be 38, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fuse number 12. So 1, 3, 12. And also you will need to check fuse number 35. So that's 37, 36, 35 right here. Under the hood you have another fuse box. Open the hood on the right side right here. That's where the fuse box is. Open that cover and you see that layout right there. Here you will need to check another fuse. And we're talking about 37, 36, 35. That fuse right here, that's fuse number 35 guys. You will need to check right here, 20M fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.